Welcome to this insane bio-futuristic masterpiece, the craziest Lake Como property ever, blending into nature perfectly. The scale of this thing is mind-blowing. Check out these gravity-defying curves. It is pure luxury, pure design. Check out this primary living lounge featuring bespoke parametric sofas and a completely seamless fluid ceiling design. Dinner is served in this formal dining space, surrounded by panoramic views and glowing bioluminescent light ribbons. This drawing room is absolutely unreal, with massive, curved, smart glass framing the most beautiful planes outside. This ensuite master bathroom features a massive, deep sapphire soaking tub carved directly into the seamless floor. This master kitchen redefines luxury with its monolithic liquid titanium island and high-tech integrated appliances throughout. This stunning powder room features a floating monolithic sapphire basin and gorgeous liquid titanium accent walls. Your guests will never want to leave this ultra-exclusive VIP suite, featuring pristine white resin floors and total luxury. We end our tour in the breathtaking Horizon Lounge, offering uninterrupted panoramic views over paradise from Lake Como. This custom curved glass wine vault displays priceless bottles organized beautifully along illuminated deep sapphire wine racks. This indoor dining extension lounge offers the ultimate breakfast view with its fluid architecture and gorgeous sapphire accents. This expansive family bedroom suite offers custom rounded royal beds and uninterrupted views of the gorgeous. This VIP ensuite bathroom boasts a custom floating vanity carved beautifully from rare deep sapphire stone. Relax in the secondary master bedroom with fluid walls, custom royal furniture, and sweeping views of Lake Como. Practice your swing inside this professional golf simulator room, wrapped in seamless, deep sapphire acoustic sound panels. This contemporary billiards and entertainment hall features a custom pool table carved directly from liquid titanium material. Look down from this spectacular upper floor overlook and witness the massive double-height scale of pure architectural luxury. This custom glass elevator floats effortlessly between levels inside an incredibly massive fluid titanium structural shaft. Look down from this spectacular upper floor overlook and witness the massive double-height scale of pure architectural luxury. Marvel at this bespoke furniture show featuring ultra-luxury fluid lounge chairs crafted from pure liquid titanium accents. Look up at this spectacular custom ceiling, showcasing complex concentric waves of white resin and glowing bioluminescent light. This poolside interior lounge deck gives you direct access to the water with insane polished composite materials everywhere. This hidden prep kitchen keeps everything spotless with pristine white handleless cabinets and durable liquid titanium countertops. This heavy-duty indoor service kitchen extension matches the home architecture perfectly with seamless white resin surfaces. This incredibly organized butler pantry features beautiful custom storage towers finished in our signature deep sapphire trim. This poolside interior lounge deck gives you direct access to the water with insane polished composite materials everywhere. Look up at this spectacular custom ceiling, showcasing complex concentric waves of white resin and glowing bioluminescent light. This enclosed indoor pool lounge looks absolutely unreal, with deep sapphire waters and glowing parametric light ribbons overhead. This indoor relaxation pavilion is absolute paradise, with a liquid titanium waterfall cascading down a completely seamless wall. Check out this private sitting lounge designed for intimate billionaire deals, surrounded by magnificent organic wall contours. This pristine pantry storage room features handleless cabinets and custom liquid titanium shelves, maximizing total organization efficiency. The upstairs family lounge offers an insanely open layout with bespoke low-profile furniture and beautiful natural light. Hang out in this incredible casual TV lounge with a massive custom entertainment wall molded from liquid titanium. This stunning powder room features a floating monolithic sapphire basin and gorgeous liquid titanium accent walls. This beautiful indoor botanical zen garden brings vibrant exotic plants right into the fluid layout of the home. This stunning powder room features a floating monolithic sapphire basin and gorgeous liquid titanium accent walls. Find your zen in this ethereal meditation room featuring curved, smart glass framing, absolute paradise outside.
This private spa treatment room comes with a custom sculpted massage table and total billionaire tier relaxation vibes. Unwind in this stunning romance room featuring a custom circular lounge bed and an intimate liquid titanium fireplace. Crush your workouts in this massive home gym surrounded by curved smart glass and high-end parametric fitness gear. Crush your workouts in this massive home gym surrounded by curved smart glass and high-end parametric fitness gear. Experience absolute acoustic perfection in this family listening room packed with custom liquid titanium speakers and fluid design.